Hello everyone. Today's topic is pickle module. Using pickle module, we can write to a binary file and we can read from a binary file. Basically, Python pickle module is used for serializing and deserializing Python object structures. For binary files, when we are writing to a binary file, we need to convert the data to byte streams, that is zeros and ones. The process to convert any kind of Python objects, that is list, dictionary, etc., into byte streams is called pickling or serialization or flattening or marshalling. Any object in Python can be pickled so that it can be saved on disk, and whenever we are reading from the binary file, the byte stream should be converted to the human readable data. We can convert the byte stream generated through pickling back into Python objects by a process called unpickling. Pickle.dump function is used to store the object data to the file. It takes three arguments. First argument is the object that we want to store. It may be a list, it may be a dictionary, or it may be a simple string, etc. The second argument is the file object we get by opening the desired file in write binary mode. And third argument is not essential for you. Here I am discussing the third argument for information only. The third argument is the key value argument. This argument defines the protocol using an integer. There are two types of protocol: pickle.highest protocol and pickle.default protocol. I am not going to discuss this third argument in detail. Now unpickling. Pickle.load function is used to retrieve pickled data. The primary argument of pickle load function is the file object that you get by opening the file. Now I am going to show you how to write to a binary file and how to read from a binary file using pickle module. And for that I am going to write a simple program for you. Let's see. So at first I need to import the pickle module. Import pickle as p. That means we are importing the pickle module and we are giving a nickname p for the module pickle. That means using p we can access the pickle module. And now I am opening the file. File name is studentpickle.dat and I am going to open this file in WB plus mode. That means at first I am going to write to the file and after that I am going to read from the file. Now I am going to collect the data from the user using input function. So I am going to collect the role and name of one student, and after that using dump function we are going to write role to the file studentpickle.dat and then we are writing name to the file. Here dump is a function of the module pickle. So as I am giving nickname p for the module pickle, so I can access dump function using p.dump, and within parenthesis I am giving the object which will be written to the file studentpickle.dat, and after writing I am going to read from the file. So first of all I need to point the file pointer to the 0th byte of the file. So using seek method we can do this, and after that using load function I am going to deserializing, or I am going to read the role from the file, and now I am going to read name from the file. After reading them I am going to display roll number and name. And finally I am closing the file using close method. Let's see. So it is asking to enter the role. For example, roll number is 1, name Rajiv, and after collecting role and name, this data is written to the file, and after that we are reading the data from the file, and here it is displaying roll number as 1 and name as Rajiv. So using this program we can write a single data to a binary file, and after that we can read a single data from the binary file. We can write and read multiple records also. Now I am going to show you how to write multiple records to a binary file and how to read multiple records from a binary file. And for writing multiple records we need a loop. So I am writing while true. Inside this loop I am collecting role and name from the user. Then I am writing role and name to the file using dump function. Now I am asking the user to press capital Y or small y if he or she want to continue, or he or she want to write another record to the file. And if the user don't want to continue, he or she will not give capital Y or small y. And using this statement I am checking this. So if the user don't want to continue, after checking it I am breaking the loop using break. So in this section I am writing multiple records to the binary file. So after writing I have to read from the binary file. So using seek method I am pointing the file pointer to the 0th byte, and then I have to read multiple records using while loop, and I need to read the data repeatedly, and this section of codes must be written inside try, and then except EOF error. Actually after reading multiple records, whenever the file pointer is reached to the end of the file, an exception will be generated from this section, and using this statement I am catching the exception and I am breaking the loop. That means after reading all the records we are breaking the loop, and finally I am closing the file. Let's see. Enter roll 1, for example Akash. Want to continue? Yes. Sagar. Want to continue? Yes. Roll 3. Name of the student Radhika. Want to continue? No. And you can see that after writing these 3 records, here I am printing these 3 records. roll number 1 Akash, roll number 2 Sagar, roll number 3 Radhika, and it is working properly. So using this code we can write multiple records to a binary file using pickle module. Now I am going to show you how to write and read multiple records in the form of a dictionary, and for that I am going to change this code little bit. Here I am going to create a dictionary dic equal to key is s roll, that means student roll, and value is roll, and next key is s name, that means student name, and value is name. And I need to write this dictionary to the binary file, so I am writing p.dump dic file, and we do not need this statement. And here whenever we are reading the data from the file, it will return the dictionary. So I am writing dic equal to p.load file, and to display roll I need to write dic within square bracket s roll, as key for the roll was s roll, and here I have to write dic square bracket s name, and obviously I have to write within quotes. So using this code we are basically collecting role and name from the user, and we are creating a dictionary using this role and name, and here I am writing the dictionary, and after that we are asking the user whether they want to continue or not, and finally after writing all the records in the form of dictionary to the binary file, we are pointing the file pointer to the 0th position as we are going to read from the file, and here we are reading using load function, and it will return a dictionary from the file, and we are storing this dictionary to the variable dic. Whenever we are going to print roll number, we have to write name of the dictionary, within square bracket we have to mention the key. For roll the key is s roll, and for name the key is s name. Let's see. So roll number in this case, for example 10, enter name, for example Golu, want to continue, yes, enter roll. 11, for example name Bholu, want to continue, yes, enter roll. 12, name Kalu, want to continue, no. You can see that it is working properly. After writing these 3 records, it is reading these 3 records. Now I am going to show you how to append to a binary file using pickle method. And for appending we need to change only the mode of the file, that is AB plus, and the code will be same. Let's see. Enter roll, roll will be 13, enter name, for example Kalia, want to continue, no. You can see that 3 records of 3 students that we have written to the file is there is no changes, and after that we are appending the record of the student Kalia, and it is working properly. In my next video I shall show you how to update and read multiple records from a binary file, and how to delete and read multiple records from a binary file. Thank you for watching this video.